Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Subaru Crosstrek. Really neat blue color. Let me see if I can find the name of it. Cool gray, that might be it. Really good amount of room back here. Nice orange contrast stitching. Cool gray khaki and black interior. Nice. Total price for this one's $24,170. That's a bargain for what you're getting. This is the premium trim, and you can kind of see, yeah, that's a 6-speed manual. It's one of the main reasons I love the Crosstrek. I mean, that metallic looks phenomenal. Kind of the Hyundai Kona kind of took inspiration from this a little bit. Those black accents really suit this color too. Nice faux carbon fiber trim throughout. Auto up windows. A little 12-volt outlet there. As well as in here you have 12-volt, 2 USBs, and your aux jack. Really nice materials, especially for not being the top of the line. There's still a couple more levels to go above this, I believe. Really good throws in the shifter. Not bad whatsoever. Nice backup camera, of course. But yeah, without further ado, let's go for a drive. Clutch is super easy to get used to. I expected it to be a little bit tougher than it is, but no, it's awesome. How did I end up with a line of traffic? There's nobody on this road until now. It's got a good amount of pull, especially for what it is. I'm so glad Subaru decided to give this a manual. Just looking at it from the outside, I would be like, yeah, people that buy this might not want a manual, but they put one in it, and I'm so glad they did. Because it just makes this car so much fun to drive. A lot of other vehicles in this segment don't offer manuals, or they're very hard to come by. Subaru kind of brags at the fact that they have a manual. When you look at cars in this segment, not a lot of them have manuals. Not a lot of them either are as good as this. It's super easy to be smooth with it too. That's something I found was a little more difficult in the Impreza Sport, but that might have just been the example I drove because it was kind of a used dealer demo for another dealership. This is a really good car, and it's a lot of fun to drive too. Also available is a Eco Hybrid. I don't think that's available with a manual. If it is, that's a dream car right there. Fuel economy, manual transmission. It's a very, very linear power band. This is not forced induction or turbocharged, supercharged, nothing like that. No forced induction on this motor. Still has a plenty of power for what it is, especially. I don't sit here wishing for more. Well, no. The inner child in me is like, yes, put a Hellcat motor in it. Give it 700 horsepower. That will be fun. No, it's not necessary. This is really, really good. I don't find myself not having enough power for situations. It's a really, really comfortable vehicle too. Super nice inside. Nice leather wrapped wheel. It's actually pretty easy to rev match too. That I wasn't expecting. Just look how athletic it is. It's a really, really good handling vehicle too, honestly. I like this a lot. So beautiful out here. You have a little MPG meter, which is pretty cool. These are really, really good on gas from what I'm hearing. I mean, this is kind of the best daily driver for, someone beginning of a family. I could see maybe a teenager's first car, especially up here, because you have all-wheel drive in this, you have the ground clearance, so snow is not an issue for this thing whatsoever. And with the manual, you can kind of modulate throttle application a bit better too. I am super impressed with this. This is the first Crosstrek I've ever driven. Maybe when I come back down to Subaru in the near future, I'll try out the CVT version. But this is phenomenal. I definitely see why these are so popular, and I think in the segment this is the one I'd go with. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.